This goes to show the PM is extremely nervous. His narratives have been only on these kind of issues which have no bearing on the election. He doesn't speak on unemployment. He doesn't speak on economic inequality. He doesn't speak on subversion of the constitution. He doesn't speak on his weak foreign policy. All he is talking about is Mangal Sutra, Muslim, mutton, South versus North divide, upper community versus lower community divide. This is all he is speaking about. So it goes to show that the PM is extremely nervous about the elections that is coming ahead. Yeah, I agree with him. It's extremely biased to him. So even now we are opening up, right? We are throwing a challenge at him. Let him have an open press conference, not with anchors who will ask him, how does he eat a mango? Doesn't he get tired? All those kind of nonsensical. Ask them real questions, which Modi ji can answer. No?